Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we will talk about my current stack, the stack that I am working currently on my agency. My agency have two projects, main projects, this OWP, that is a wide level services about web development, but also with also marketing services. I will put this on the website soon. But also I have my own agency about marketing aimed to e-learning sites or people who sell courses. All right. So I have some stack that I need to use to my agency. So I want to share with you what is my current stack to show you. Also, I will give my links, affiliate links. So for some of them that they have it and I have the affiliate links. So don't bother me if you want to buy from my link affiliate. If you want to support this channel, it's okay for me. If not, no problem. Also, some of them we will don't have affiliate link because they don't have the program, or I don't have subscribed to the affiliate link program, so I will drop the link also for all these tools on the description and on the first comment. So let's start. This will be a super overview about my current stack. Okay, so if you have any question, anything that you wanted to comment to me, remember owp.com, contact with me if you want to collaborate for any project of WordPress development, or if you want to get the masterclass about WP performance, web performance optimization for bricks, you can do it here and take the prize. Okay, well, let's start it. Well, this will be an agency stack, right? So this agency stack, it's about all the tools that I have. Maybe I remember some of them with the video, but I will give you the current tools, the main current tools that I already use for my agency. Okay, management, marketing, tracking, this stuff, website development, marketing stuff. If you wanna stack completely about WordPress and web development, let me know on the comments. Okay, so continue with the video. First of the things, websites. I use WordPress. I am WordPress developer, so I use WordPress for every site that I had. I try to use GHL for some times this year to try to do some stuff with template, but it's it's not a good idea. It's a bad deal do with GHL. It's a pain in the ass do the website with GHL. For other things I use already, but I do so for example, my main site, it's already my site about agency is in Spanish, so use Google Translate. My main site is with WordPress, okay, but I use to my calendar site with GHL, and I have regrets about that. I don't want to have anymore here. I need rebuild on my main site right now on WordPress, so it's not a big deal. It's not a good deal. Do this on GHL. No recommended. I will move from there to WordPress again and use the basic the machine things, the engine on go high level. Okay, so website WordPress, okay, WordPress org, right, for CMS, right, content management system. Okay, right, websites WordPress, right, website builders. Okay, don't hate me, don't bother me every time that I mention HWP, bricks, Bricks people start drop on the comments some stuff. So I use these both builders. Okay, I use these both. For the depend of the project, I use one or I use other one. So far, for Bricks Builder, I already use for WooCommerce site because they have a super good integration, super well integration. I love the integration that they have for WooCommerce, and I use for them so far, right? But now I for brochures, websites, corporate websites, landing pages, I start to use HWP, and it's something that I liked how it works, and I like how they doing, and I'm using some stuff combined with AI that for me works good. Okay, and this is in reverse, and I use for this automatic CSS, and sometimes bricks is to bricks, and sometimes to HWP to inspire or adapt some stuff. I use both. If you are a bricks man, good for you. If you're a HWP man, good for you. Okay, I will drop two links there. Why I like both? Because for each case, maybe it's better one, or for other is better one. And I'm starting using more HWP, and for new projects, right? And for some projects that I already have, I have confidence on Bricks. My main projects are in Bricks. Maybe some of them will move to HWP because I like how to manage the stuff, but I have confidence on Bricks Builder. I use Bricks Builder. I use for my customer Bricks Builders. I integrate LearnDash with Bricks Builders plus WooCommerce or plus Fluent Cart. So it's okay. I love the community. I have a masterclass talking about web performance optimization for Bricks. So I use both, right? I like more Edge because it has this integration with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I know that Bricks this year will implement that, taking inspiration from Edge, I guess. And this will give us more flexibility about website builders with AI. So it's okay. Good. For website building, I use WordPress, website builders, Edge, and Bricks Builder. I have some projects on Oxygen, but I don't want to use anymore. I don't use Elementor. I hate Elementor. I hate Divi. I try to not take projects from these builders because I don't like it. And something that I don't mention it to you about hosting is that I use GridPaint. Okay, I don't have affiliate link for them because they don't accept to me so far. So if you wanna buy a GridPaint, it's okay, and they have a super a good plan to use. But I use for hosting GridPaint, have good deals. Not right now. You don't need invest a big money like before to start using it. It's more Cloudways approach. Before I used Cloudways, but yes, I migrate all my site to GridPaint. So Cloudways, I don't recommend you. No. Why? Because I don't know. Well, I know because I don't know why my sites start working slower and slower and slower. No reasons. I have good plans there. No reason for work super slow, and I don't know what tricky they have outside. So I start investigating more, and I found GridPaint, and I moved to them because works good, works faster, good good documentation, and also it's a little tricky to set up at first, but later you duplicate hosting, duplicate that, and duplicate WordPress, create servers, manage from there. Maybe you need to update the server manually. This is a little pain of the ass, but so far works super good, and it's secure, it's faster, and it's good. And this one I don't recommend you. Okay. Design. What I use for design, I use Canva. Okay, this whiteboard that I am showing the things is Canva. Okay, so I use Canva for feature image on Tumblr, I don't know the word is only in English. Let me this one. No, it's not this one.
Miniature.
It's okay.
Thumbnail image.
Thumbnail image. This one. I use this for a thumbnail image about YouTube. Okay, and also I use for some stuff more advanced that I need to do Affinity, right? Affinity for some stuff with vectors, right? Affinity Designer, the Affinity Photo no, Affinity Publisher not. Long time ago with Affinity 1, version 1 and version 2, I use more these other tools, but already not, because I don't do super advanced designs. Okay, so I use Canva Pro. Okay, I start paying Canva Pro for do my thumbnails, delete the backgrounds. Super recommended tool, and save my time and my ass big times. Okay, so these tools, and let me check before here. UX design, what I use, obviously Figma. Have my brain in their hands, or my work in their hands. So the bad thing that Figma, that they is super standards, but they are expensive more and more. So I wanna take a look to another alternatives. I know that we have a Penpot there, but I don't know. We need something more standard, I guess, or maybe need to try Penpot. But with Figma we have a lot of integration there. For example, this plugin, ACSS, automatic CSS Figma plugin, that I will try to buy this year to start working in Figma. So okay, it's expensive, but this will save time. So time is money, so it's okay, invest on that. Okay, e-commerce. What I use already for e-commerce? Well, I have two tools mainly. My old site is using all of them's e-commerce for e-learning's website, WooCommerce, sorry, and plus WooCommerce subscription, or plus another thing. One of them have Restrict Content Pro, but for the kind of customer that I use e-commerce for them. Okay, because it's integrated with a lot of tools, and have integration with other things. Also, Bricks integration is super nice, but sometimes I think that WooCommerce is a big thing for the thing that I needed. Okay, now I'm starting to use Fluent Cart. For example, if you go to OutWP, okay, and buy my masterclass, okay, you will saw that it's a Fluent Cart thing checkout, so you can buy this project from Fluent Cart. All right. So Fluent Cart, I have a good experience with them so far. The good thing is that they have subscription integrated, so you don't need another plugin. And with the suite from Fluent Cart, you have big stuff covered with them. Also, I will integrate with HWP when I have the opportunity to work with them. And for some learning site, a launch pad that I have, I will use Fluent cards to integrate that, because and put custom CSS. All right. LMS, a learning management system. Okay, this is my specialty, learning management system. What I use for that? Well, I use these two. LearnDash, okay, for a more traditional learning management system. When I use that when the people want to sell some more formal way to sell their courses, like universities, institutes, or some stuff that they need super flexibility about, they can manage. And with the LearnDash, it's a big standard there on WordPress LMS, so they can I can sell and manage the course with big tools and integration. So LearnDash works, integrate with WooCommerce, integrate with Fluent CRM, integrate with Fluent Forms with Fluent CRM. They have another extra add-ons that they can manage very well, some little stuff that they need to do. Good support, always answer my question when I have a problem, solve faster. It's okay. The price is okay. I host my e-learning site on WordPress because I have the flexibility to manage that, and it's integrated on the same site. Also, I'm starting to use this year Fluent Community. I have some projects in my mind right now, some customer that I will integrate Fluent Community and start using there for communities, but also like LMS to sell courses, because it's something that it's good price, it's faster, has all the suite from Fluent team, and it works good. What can I ask more? I don't know what they said, but it's everything that I need. Can sell courses, can manage community, can give access or not to premium things, and it's super good. Okay, have a good UI, it's faster, it's good, it's okay. Okay, this is loading. Fluent Community. All right, it's there. But I use for build and sell courses, but the thing that the customer, for when I apply Fluent Community, when the customer need a little community. Instead use Inner Circle, I integrate all these things there, and I can sell courses also there, and the people can comment and do stuff. And with Fluent CRM, I can give them or remove them the access easily. Okay. Lead generation. Well, lead generation. What I use for lead generation? Well. I've used Fluent Forms for a long time, for different sites that I have maintained, and it's integrated with Fluent CRM. So I use this for lead generation, but now I am moving to go higher level. Okay, right? So if you saw some projects mine in OWP, I have Fluent Forms, right? But for example, in Tengo Academia, I have this one here with this is go high level, right? But also if you go to my last webinar that I did for my niche. This is with go high level, right? And also I have some trickies done with my contact form here. This is integrated also with go high level. I did a tricky to do that, and I am integrating this to this because I like Fluent Form and the way that they do the things. But depending of the project, I use one or other one. So, but for don't lost any information when people send me through a form, like a contact form or lead magnet gen form, I integrate with Fluent with Go High Level directly via API for have synced this project, right? Okay. Well, booking. What I use for booking? Well, I have two tools to use booking. Go High Level, right? I will give you the link there. If you wanna buy Go High Level, use my link, okay? Because I am presenting all my stack there. Use my link if you wanna use. And for booking page, before I use Fluent Booking. Right now, I'm still using Fluent Booking, but what is my problem with Fluent Booking or Fluent CRM? They don't have a pipeline. I will let you know more on when the time is when presenting the CRM thing. But I used before, and I used for some calls Fluent Booking, but I am starting to use some month ago Go High Level. Okay, these tools are integrated there. Well, CRM, boys, CRM. What I use for CRM? Before, I use Fluent CRM. Okay, Fluent CRM. All right. Okay, super nice tool, super good. I love the speed. It's super fast. It's okay. It's the engine of the WordPress automation, but it's not a CRM. This is the thing. It's not a CRM. The name is bad. Maybe it was a good name. Fluent Automation, Fluent Email, or something like Fluent Email Marketing, something like that. But it's not a CRM. It's like the H1 say, email automation inside WordPress. Okay? No CRM. You can manage the content, but it's not a CRM. And they don't have the main thing that they need to have it on a CRM, that is a pipeline. Okay, I use now CRM as a CRM Go High Level. Go High Level is the tool that I am using. I'm happy with that. I would love that they have the speed that Fluent CRM have. Okay, they don't have that, but they have another integrations. They have WhatsApp integration, main thing, SMS integration, and another thing that you will see later, and is synced to agencies. And for this stuff, I use CRM now. Go High Level works super nice. It's integrated with the different social media, manage the conversation for one tool, and this stuff. If you wanna more about that, let me know. But you have another information on another channel, or maybe you already know. But if you want more training, let me know about that. But for CRM, is one of the best things that I have on the past on my work. About web development, like I said, it's a pain in the ass. It's not everything good, but for website development, not use that this shit. Use for CRM, the engine of the CRM and the lead generation. Okay, for manage your opportunities. The Go High Level is a all-in-one tool. Okay, for if you don't know, it's an all-in-one tool that have CRM, email marketing, reputation management, another thing, like all-in-one tools that you have in the market. Maybe have some bugs, okay? It's not perfect, and maybe sometimes it's a little buggy, little slowly, and the UI, I don't like it, but works, okay? If we have another tool with the price, with the functionality like Fluent CRM, like okay level, sorry, maybe I move them. If it's something like I don't know, Notion UI, super wide, super spacing, faster like Fluent CRM, maybe I choose them, but it's not the case. It's like it is what it is. So I use Go High Level. Also, before I tried use ClickUp as special mention. I tried to use ClickUp as a CRM, but no works. No, it's super far, the Go High Level CRM, from the other tools that are not a CRM, okay? Because it's a CRM tool, shortly. Well, email automation and email marketing. I use Go High Level now for email marketing, and for email automation and automation directly on the WordPress site, e-learning site, I use Fluent CRM. Okay, because it's the engine and connect everything with the LMS, and for the also forms and this stuff on the e-commerce and these things. Why I don't use the community builder from Go High Level? Because the reality, I don't trust about the performance of the hosting on Go High Level. So I don't know how to fix if the site is down, and about community, and maybe it's a little limited about the thing that you can do it, and for some specific project maybe you need more power like LearnDash or a Fluent community. So maybe in the future I try to use that, but it's not super customizable as it works with them, and I prefer manage and have the control of the business there, and the payment directly on WordPress, the e-commerce platform that I use. And I use this for Go High Level for services with high ticket, and for managed opportunities like my agency or for my customers that they sell high ticket. And for e-commerce, I use Fluent CRM, right, for automation, the marketing on email. And also I integrate this with Go High Level to have synced. Well, reputation management. What I use for reputation management, as reviews and this stuff, I use Go High Level. It's only one tool. They have reputation management. For this reason, I use Go High Level and don't use Odoo, for example. Before I try Odoo, I love Odoo about the speed that they manage the thing, all the stuff that they have it, but they don't have reputation management. So for this thing, for this stuff, I use Odoo. I jump to Go High Level. Okay, pipelines. I manage my opportunities with Go High Level. Before Odoo, now Go High Level. Project management. Okay, I use ClickUp for project management. This tool I use for more than 1 year ago, and is the best thing that I use for manage the project. Is the tool for manage project management. What's happened with ClickUp? I love ClickUp, but they have problems. They have serious problems, and it's an all-in-one tool for project management. What means that like high level will have problems and bugs. But with the last updates on ClickUp, I don't know if you feel the same. They are more thinked to AI, like another tools, all the tools in the market, and they forgot the main thing that we need to do on a project management system. We need a speed to manage the project. On ClickUp, with the last update, 4.0, I guess, or 3.0, I don't know the last one, they changed all the UI, put a lot of things inside the other things. The speed and performance that they will get with the latest update, that was growth, start working faster and faster. Right now, with the last update, start load slowly and more slowly, and the things are super confused where they are. Before was a better UI about where is all the thing, but now I don't know. I feel that they need to manage less AI things, instead use agents, AIs, and this stuff, and works in the performance of the platform. Okay, for works better and better. Okay, but in another hand, we have whiteboards. I use whiteboards to do some stuff faster there on ClickUp. Also, I have right now a Canva, but I use whiteboard because I can integrate with my task management. Obviously, internal docs for like Notion, I use for that. Chat with my customers and my team. Okay, I use, this is like Slack. Okay, it's the same thing. This is why I choose one of the reasons, because I choose ClickUp, and the other reason is the time tracking. Okay, time tracking that I have to manage the customers, time tracking and report tracking. Okay, to report the customer my time on the task now, or for track internal task that I can do a better budget. Internal meetings, they have functionality to meeting with your team. AI note taker, this AI thing, I love that. This is one of the best things that I love. Relationship with AI, the AI note taker from ClickUp is good thing. Take the video, take the audio, do a summary of the notes, like AI note takers, but it's inside of your task management. You can do a task directly from there. The notes are good and no mistakes, 90% no mistake, and it's in Spanish, for example, my meets, and translate everything super good. Also, I use the recording video recordings like Loom. Okay, like Loom, and this save me big money there, because for my customers and internal things, save big money for me. Okay, big things with ClickUp. I need more performance, guys. Please focus there. About invoice, social media planner, ad management, reporting, I use Go High Level, because they have a good dashboard to show reporting, do invoice for me and my customers, social media planner, ad management, and reporting stuff. I use Go High Level. They tracking all this stuff. So good things. Internal docs and process. Okay, I use ClickUp. I already said you. I use ClickUp. It is like Notion. They have something similar. Notion. Let me show you a little. Okay, now I am in ClickUp, and this is something similar with Notion. Obviously, Notion is better there, but I wanna have all in one tool. Before I was a Notion fan, but I moved to ClickUp because I tried to use Notion as a project management system, but it's not for that on the past. And the main thing that I changed to ClickUp was the tracking tab. So for documentation, my docs, I can do that. Works faster now. Before works a little buggy and slow, but now about performance is better. Now it's a little slowly than better with this last update that they have all things in the same place on the home. So this works good. Hello, this is my first docs. Okay, they have AI too. They can. The good thing about ClickUp that if you put all the process there and all the time that you have all the tracking time, all the task, all the things, AI can give you a little review, a little report about what you are spending time, what your team is doing, and this tracking time, how much works your team has. So you can ask them a little report about what they are doing. So you have the AI here integrated. Pull there, ask them things and use. Also, they have something called a brain. I don't know if show you this stuff because maybe have some things private, but okay, here they have the different things that different AI tools that you can use. I don't use every time, or I don't use often this tool. Really, it's something curious, but you have the different things. Okay, I will talk about more AI later. But internal docs and process, ClickUp. Productivity in general, okay, docs, customer sheets, meetings, calendars, and store management. For project management, internal meetings with my team, internal meetings with faster meetings, really, with my team, I use ClickUp. For more formal meetings, I use Google Meet. For docs, share it with customers, with or leads, or maybe customer that I don't need put directly on my ClickUp stuff and do a presentation how it works, and for the customer don't feel stressed. I use Google Workspace. I create their folder. I upload their documents that I need. I create a Google Docs for the step that I need for do a launch. I integrate. I use Google Calendar for calendar. This Google Calendar is integrated with ClickUp too, so I can manage the AI note taker to Google Calendar. I can integrate my Google Calendar also with Go High Level. I use for storage management, Google Workspace. I have a lot of space, and for Gmail I use for email I use Gmail, okay, and Google Sheets instead Excel. Okay. For slides, what I use for slide? Canva. Short answer, Canva, and no more things. I use Canva right now. Before I use Google Slide, but now I use Canva. AI. What I use for AI? Well, Gemini. I start using more this. I have integrated on my Google Workspace AI Gemini for free. Well, not for free. I paid because they are growing and rise their prices, and it's more expensive right now because they integrate AI. Also, I use Note Taker from AI. Okay, on Google Meet. But if I don't have the meeting on my workspace, for example, I am not the host of the meeting, I use AI Note Taker from ClickUp to jump to the Meet, because they can go to Zoom meetings, Google Meets meeting that I am not the owner, or other meetings. My AI Note Takers go to my calendar and travel to the next meeting. But if I use Google Meeting on my host, I use Gemini Note Taker, record the video on Google Meet, but also with AI Note Taker, because sometimes or this fails or this one fails. Okay, sometimes ChatGPT, the free version, I never pay for ChatGPT. I use the free version for maybe redact some copies because they have the knowledge about and the memory about my project. So I don't want to explain again and again to Gemini because they don't have a memory so far. I guess. Let me know if they have. Okay. Notebook LM. Okay. I use this one to translate my videos, to transcript my videos and redact some content and do a summary of my video and later jump to Gemini to write my posts. Okay. I use for that. Don't copy me. Also SEO. What I use for SEO? Well, rank math right now. Before I use SEO no. One to the SEO framework because it was little. Before I don't use SEO plugins. I use Genesis framework because they have SEO settings, but I don't use Genesis anymore. So I have to transform this to rank math. I never works again. I think with a theme with SEO things. I will use this functionality on rank math. For SEO, checked out. I use Ubersuggest. Okay, for my little things on SEO, but I have a good result. I know that it's a new project works with Ubersuggest, but I pay the lifetime and I use some stuff that I need to do it for a small project and have good results. But now I am growing, so I take the SC rankings, SA rankings, and I'm happy with these tools. I will drop my affiliate links to both Ubersuggest and this one, and it works super good as ranking. And if you wanna buy this project, it's subscription. Do from my link. Okay, do from my link. And it's good. Works good. I like it. I have this one first position on my niche for good keywords, and now I want to professionalize more that for my customers too. And because this is shorter right now for me, the scope that they have, and this one, it's a gem. Okay. Well, look at that. Last things, guys. Reputation management. I saw you, right? I use this for reputation management. Go high level. Good stuff. Take from my link. Videos. Video editings. I use Tech Smith's Camtasia. Okay. Right now, I'm recording from Camtasia. Okay. Wow. 45 minutes we are here. Okay. Maybe I need to go to this video on little videos. Okay. Okay. Video editing is Camtasia. Okay. Camtasia. I'm looking recommendation. What do you recommend for me? Because this subscription I have for some years ago, and I am looking another recommendation. Why? Because I wanna have a tool that can recording, do some stuff with my videos, and cut the videos with the text. Okay. They have an integration there, call it Audiate, but it's not for me. It's not one product that I like it. I prefer one video editors that give me the tool to record the video, to work, have a nice UI, and allow me editing and remove the silence automatically with a little AI. So what do you recommend for that have a screencast and video editing? Let me know. Okay. I'm tired. Videos. I did a webinar today, 2 hours, so I don't want to talk anymore. Videos, internal screencast. Like Loom, I use ClickUp, okay? I don't use Loom, I use a screencast for internal things. I use ClickUp, but I use Loom, okay? I will not add here, only for maybe send to people, to leads, okay, potential customers, because I can give the link and it works a little faster than ClickUp, and Loom say me when someone see the video, when someone saw the video. So I use Loom for this, for recording this video. So this is my stack, guys. What do you think? Anything that I forget to mention to you? Let me know. Let me know. So if you enjoyed this video, you're here, join to the waitlist about Edge course, about Bricks course 2.0. If I have the enough people on the waitlist, we are more and more, I will launch the course. But so far, buy this stuff if you like one of them from my link, okay, from my link. Also, if you wanna buy bricks from my link, don't have affiliate link, but no problem, do it. Good tools here, good tools. So talk soon. Thank you for now. Comment below if you have any thoughts.